In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Disney Plus on Discord. By the end, you'll be sharing a movie night with your friends in just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your streaming account and that Discord is installed on your computer. Also note that some servers restrict streaming, so if you don't see the option to go live, you may need permission from a server admin. Always share responsibly and follow the terms of both services. Begin by opening the Disney Plus website in your browser and signing in. Pick the movie or show you want to watch, load the page and keep it paused on the start screen. This ensures everything is ready the moment you begin streaming and helps avoid spoilers while you set up. If you plan to switch tabs while streaming, consider using a browser window dedicated to the movie so you don't accidentally share unrelated content. Next, switch to Discord. Choose the server where you want to host your watch session, then head into a voice channel that allows streaming. Join the voice channel and look for the screen icon in the call controls. This is the Share Your Screen button. Click it and Discord will show options for what you can share. Select the application window or browser tab that's running Disney Plus. Choosing the specific window or tab is usually better than sharing your entire screen because it protects your privacy and reduces the chance of notifications popping up. Turn on the audio toggle so your friends can hear the movie soundtrack. Then choose your stream quality and frame rate. If you have a premium subscription, you can stream at higher resolutions and smoother frame rates. Otherwise, the default settings work well for most watch parties. Click Go Live, go back to Disney Plus and press play. Your friends in the voice channel will now see and hear the stream. Remind them to adjust their own Discord volume if it's too quiet or loud. If you encounter a black screen, try switching browsers or temporarily turning off hardware acceleration in your browser settings, as some streaming sites use DRM that can block capture. If audio isn't coming through, double-check the Share Audio toggle, your system's default output device, and that Discord isn't muted. On some systems, you may need to grant Discord screen recording permissions in your operating system settings. That's it. Enjoy your watch party. Keep chat friendly and remember to respect content guidelines. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.